Fresh red reef fish, caught straight from the coast, rinsed in cool river water, and prepared the old-school way. No fancy kitchen, no shortcuts, just fire, oil, and instinct. Will it be crispy fried over open flame? Or kinilaw, raw and cured with calamansi, salt, and chilies? This is how seafood was meant to be eaten simple, wild, and shared. A true coastal feast, cooked outdoors, surrounded by nature, and enjoyed with bare hands and good company. Would you eat this? Tell us in the comments. Fried or kinilaw? Hit like if you're hungry, and subscribe for more primal seafood rituals from the wild.